guys, it's Shelly. Welcome back to Clean Green Being. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, before you leave, hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below, I would greatly appreciate it. And lastly, if you find the information in today's video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Okay, so in today's video, I am really excited because this video is in collaboration with my girl, Kelly Lamich. She is also a clean beauty YouTuber. I'm going to list all of her information right here on the screen and also in the description box below. So today, Kelly and I thought it'd be really fun to create a video to which we feature Beautycounter's Classic Eyeshadow Palette. This is such a good eyeshadow palette and so versatile. So to demonstrate that versatility, I'm going to be creating a nighttime look using Beautycounter's Classic Eyeshadow Palette, while Kelly is going to be creating a soft, fresh daytime look using the exact same palette. So if you are interested in sticking around to learning more about Beautycounter's Classic Eyeshadow Palette and watching me create this nighttime look and see Kelly's daytime look using this palette, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so before I jump into the footage of me creating this nighttime look using Beautycounter's Classic Eyeshadow Palette, as always, I want to give you a little bit of information about the palette itself. So I have a ton of videos where I talk about Beautycounter as a brand. I will put a card up here and in the description box below, all of my videos. So if you are interested in learning more about Beautycounter and their mission to get safer beauty into the hands of everyone, then definitely check that out. But specifically speaking to Beautycounter's Classic Eyeshadow Palette, this, again, as mentioned, is a very versatile palette that contains sun-drenched nudes and neutrals that are flattering to all skin tones. This palette features 9 safer shades in matte and satin finishes, and it also includes a gorgeous sparkling topper shade to take your look from day to night. So Beautycounter's eyeshadow formula is specially designed for rich color payoff and long-wearing performance without any of the questionable ingredients. They are triple milled to a precise, silky smooth consistency, and they are formulated with butter powder, which really helps to boost the pigment, the blendability, and the longevity of wear. All right, so with that being said, let's just go ahead and jump right into the footage of Kelly's beautiful daytime look and this kind of smoky glam nighttime look using Beautycounter's Classic Eyeshadow Palette.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, then my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, then my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours. breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you.
So that completes this glam smoky eye look using Beautycounter's Classic Eyeshadow Palette. As you can see from both Kelly's look and my look, you can really create a wide variety of looks from just one single palette. Beautycounter's eyeshadows are truly some of the best formulas that I have tried on the market. I'm being 100% honest with you. I own every eyeshadow palette that they have. I think that really speaks volumes in terms of the quality and just really how beautiful and clean these shadows are. So if you're interested, definitely let me know in the comments down below if you want to see me feature more of my Beautycounter palettes. I definitely think I'm probably gonna do that because they are too good not to feature. And if you own any of Beautycounter's palettes, definitely let me know what your favorite is. I really love the classic, the romantic palette is amazing, iconic palette is gorgeous as well. So with that being said, definitely be sure to check out Kelly's video. Again, she will create a fresh daytime look using Beautycounter's Classic Eyeshadow Palette. I have all her information in the description box below. And with that being said, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to view today's video. I really appreciate your viewership. Clean Green Being has new uploads every Sunday. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so that you can be notified of all of my future uploads, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.
Right next